I think it is a definite indicator of what's going on in the UK, an indicator of what's going to happen in the general election in a couple of years' time.
Caerphilly is the talk of politics in Wales at the moment, and the talk of the town here is the upcoming by-election. It's set to be historic, not just because it's the first of its kind for some time in Wales, but also because it could have a lasting impact on how the full Senedd election will take place next year. The by-election was called after the sudden death of Hefin David in the summer, the long-standing Senedd member for the area, and now it's been all eyes on who's set to replace him. Politics has become more and more divisive across Wales and the rest of the UK in recent years, so we're going to steer clear of the parties and take a look at what the people of Caerphilly have to say about the issues here.
Yeah, because I've never really voted before. But looking at everything that's been going on, it even brought people like me out to vote. Do you know what I mean? Apart from that, I've never been interested in voting. It's only because my vote is needed that I'm going to vote.
The reason I don't vote, and haven't since I was in my early 20s, I'm now 66, is because even in those early days, I had absolutely no faith in the whole political system in this country. Ultimately, whoever wins this by-election, whoever wins the next general election, in my experience over these years, although I haven't voted, nothing will change.
I'm so proud of Wales being a nation of sanctuary myself. I'm really proud of them and all the work that's gone on for the Ukrainians here in Caerphilly. We should be proud of ourselves for the welcome we give to people and how they've been integrated here in Caerphilly.
And obviously that's why people are interested in it here, because it has greater impacts in the rest of the UK. Specific local issues, people are talking about the 20-mile-per-hour zone, stuff like that. I don't know. I think there's a lot of promises that are going to be made. There's a lot of rhetoric that's not really helpful. I think the people are throwing about.
Politicians lie, don't they? They tell you what you want to hear. Like I said, they're supposed to be building all these houses and, investing in the NHS. The power, then it's all changing. You see, nothing's ever as simple as it. When you make a change, there's usually a winner and a loser. So, I think, I don't know, what do you do with your leaflets that come through the door? I tear mine up. But some people read them. Some people believe it, some people don't believe it, some people are sceptical. I don't know, I'm sceptical. I just think they tell you what you want to hear, but there's a by-election on. Once they're in power, things are different.
I can't even get an appointment at the doctor anymore. It's like I try to ring them, I'm on phone for 3 hours, and then when I do venture care food to them, they're like, I'll ring back in the morning for a routine appointment.